Bashta tatarsha audio yangrayashaq. The English version will follow after. Kirau, nur kelame, qo'ldan to'qilgan, geometrik ornament, jiti tusli jiplar. Boshqirdiston ham Almaniya. Gulnur Safargulova, kelam avtori. Magnus, model. Rustam Haydarov, fotograf. To'qay, muzikant, fortepiano. Kelam ko'chma xalqlar madaniyatining simvoli. Kelamlar bizni sovuqdan yoqli, zavq tarbiyali, jili tuslari bilan yurtimizni balqita. Kelam bizaklarında ota-babalarning kodsimon saqlanuvchi qiymatlari, nasihatlari o'qila. Har tuyinchiqqa iminlik ham mullaqni tilav urila. Har ornament o'zi bir hikoya, bir xiyol. Urf-odatlarga, tilga qo'shgan bunlar hikmati yo'nalish, ishki balans beruvchi negiz. Hozirgi zamonda da traditsiyalar o'sish olib, yangi belgilanish topa. Magnus, Almaniya. December, the carpet, light, hand-woven, geometric ornament, bright-colored thread. Bashkortostan and Germany. Gulnur Safargulova, author of The Carpet. Magnus, model. Rustam Haydarov, photographer. Toqay, musician, piano. The carpet is a symbol of the culture of the nomadic peoples. The carpets protect us from the cold and bring light to our houses with their warm colors. We can read the values and guidance of our ancestors that are stored like a code in the carpet ornaments. Every knot is woven with love. Each ornament is a story in itself, a dream. The wisdom of the previous generations passed on to customs and language is the foundation that gives direction and inner balance. Even today, traditions are evolving and we discover new meanings and forms. Magnus, Germany.